Katunan. I am Mrs. Mary Makani, grade 10 representative, and grade 11 representing grade 11. I want to take this moment to express my need to serve with excellence, integrity, and heart. You have always been a remarkable leader, and I have no doubt that may you lead with wisdom, strength, and compassion. Congratulations, and may your team be filled with successful and meaningful progress. Thank you. As I officially accept the role of Supreme Secondary Learners Government as President for the school year 2025 to 2026. And I promise to continue the path you have faith. To our teachers, school administrators,